Hey, welcome back everyone to the Cooking Corner, and today Chef has a very special how-to. This is how to make the garbage plate. A very quick disclaimer, Chef's actually showing you how to assemble it. Some of the recipes within will be up to you, as well as some things can be store-bought, but it's just more or less an assembly. The garbage plate, of course, was established at Nick Tahoe's in Rochester, New York in 1918. It's definitely a staple to the city, as well as other towns around have their own variations and names like the trash plate or the dumpster plate, different fun things like that, which people gathered well into the night after drinking to have this magnificent feast that we call the plate. So we think you're going to enjoy this video because it's getting close to Thanksgiving. A lot of people come home, get together, have some drinks. We're going to show you a couple. This is the Nick Tahoe's cheeseburger plate. And this is the Nick Tahoe's original hot dog plate. However, Chef growing up went to a place called Empire Hots, where one of the originals founded this. And this is a Empire Hots cheeseburger plate, mac home fries, fully loaded. Pretty much a staple to him and his friends growing up. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. The first thing you'll want to do is get some oil heated up. Fresh oil, 350 degrees, and Chef just bought some store-bought home fries. Of course, you can cut up your own potatoes, do it from scratch if you want, but to save time, you can just buy them and fry them up. You'll want to do this first because this is going to take some time. To get these fully brown is going to take some time to get these done, so give it time and be patient. And of course, check for that nice crispiness of those potatoes. Next up, of course, we're doing a cheeseburger and hot dog, but we're going to use Weigel's hot dogs from Rochester, New York, of course. On Chef's flat skillet with a little bit of oil, he is going to go ahead and get this on medium heat, put down one patty, and he's going to butterfly 2 hot dogs, because I think his wife wants one. So butterfly those and put those on that nice. Let those cook for several minutes, checking them. And then, of course, give them a good flip. There they are, browning up nicely. When the burger's ready, go ahead and flip that. Don't forget to flip the whole burger. And of course, we're going to go ahead and take our home fries out now because they're done. Chef's going to salt these up, give them a quick toss because we're going to get ready to start plating this monster. Last but not least, throw a piece of cheese on there and we're going to plate this up. So the first thing is a big heaping few scoops of home fries on one side of your dish. And then next up is your macaroni salad. Now, Chef did buy this store-bought. If you want to make it from scratch, if you have a recipe, absolutely do that. Or if you like some store-bought, buy it up. But next is mac salad. And then, of course, you're going to lay the hot dog or burgers on. And Chef's doing one of each. So 1 hot dog and 1 cheeseburger right on top, right in the middle. Next up, a little bit of mustard. And then the hot sauce given to us by Uncle Steve. Thank you very much, Uncle Steve. If you have your own hot sauce, meat sauce, use that. And then some chopped onions. And the reason why they call this the garbage or trash plate is because this is what it looks like halfway through. Kind of looks like trash. But it tastes amazing, especially if you're starving late at night after some beers. And of course, Rochester, New York, you gotta wash one of these bad boys down with a nice, cold Jenny Light. And make sure some bathrooms are available. So this is it. This is our cooking corner plate. And Chef's been making these for a long time with friends, and he really enjoyed it. So after a night of romping around with your friends, cook one of these up. We think you'll really enjoy it. Definitely a staple to Rochester, New York. And of course, if you have your own variations of hot sauce, meat sauce, or mac salad, do that as well. Big shout out to Uncle Steve who gets us our hot sauce. Thank you very much. It was delicious. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it and have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.